Hey, man.
Metamorph is AutoTune's AI vocal transformation tool.
But don't worry, the artists who have been used to train this AI tool
have been compensated royally, so you can transform and metamorph your vocals guilt-free.
Let's check it out. All right, y'all, so y'all just heard my voice go through some wild changes, and the truth is, I ain't even did it yet. That's the power of editing. Let's do it together using Metamorph, man. So I'm just gonna open up the Metamorph plugin, and it's actually pretty simple to use. You can see that the interface here, we got our models where we can select different models. There are a bunch of them already in here, and the dope thing is that we can actually import a bunch of models as well. I'll leave a link in the description of this video of some of my favorite places to find voice models that you can go ahead and import for this. And you can even make your own, y'all. So let's close that and let's see what else we got. We got this big old eye thing in the middle. Who knows what that is? Now, this range matching thing, I have found that this is key to really making the metamorphosis sound natural. It will literally analyze your vocal range and match it with the transformed vocal. So I would say let's just keep that on. We got a bypass button, we got a reset button, we got the record here where you can literally record arm and then press play to get the audio from your track into Metamorph because it needs to analyze it, and boom, now that it's already loaded up just that fast, right? We also got the mix. This is so dope, so that maybe you want to do a combination of voices and have like the main dry voice along with your metamorphed voice. I think that would be cool too. And then we have some settings here that are kind of brief, right? Like help and all that kind of stuff. We don't need that. We don't need that. So it's really easy to use. Let's see. Let's just go ahead and choose a voice model. So I'm gonna come up here and let's just listen to what some of these samples might sound like.
Mic check. 1 2 1 2.
Microphone check. 1 2 1 2.
Microphone check. 1 2 1 2.
Microphone check. 1 2.
Sauce.
Yeah, mic check. 1 2 1 2.
Microphone check. 1 2 1 2.
All right, so you can see that there are some very dynamic and different vocal characters that we could choose to metamorph our vocal into, man. But again, the import process to import your own vocals is also very, very easy. After you get through this agreement, make sure that you're using this ethically and that you ain't stealing nobody vocals that's copyrighted and all that stuff, right? And simply like, boom, I go to a folder. These are some of the things that I've downloaded. I'll double click one, boom, and then importing is importing. It's going to take a few seconds, but after that imports, I'll be able to use any of these models. And online, man, there are probably thousands of models available already, besides these ones that are in here. And again, you can actually make your own. So let me see, where is that? Oh, here it is, the RJ Aggressive. That's the one that I imported. That you can see that is not from AutoTune. And I hit a little edit button right here and I can name it. Let's just name this one Wavy 1. Okay. And whatever, we don't need to put descriptions and stuff. Let's give it a color though, and we hit save. And so when I go down to the Wavy 1, let's hear that. Let's hear what this guy sound like, man. I hit transform. It's gonna take a few seconds, literally. And the dope thing is that it transformed it, and it doesn't take long, and it does not require an internet connection. All of the processing is happening on your actual computer, on your actual device. This is not like doing it in the cloud or anything. It's literally happening on your computer. So let's hear this. I can play this back.
Hey man, Metamorph is AutoTune's transformation tool. But don't worry, the artists who have been used to train this AI tool have been compensated royally. So you can transform and metamorph your vocals guilt-free. Let's check it out.
Hey, yo, that sounds like somebody I know. So let's say I wanted to keep that, right? I could literally drag, like, look, I'm just going to drag this waveform. It's just so easy. You ain't even got to read the instruction manual, man. I can just drag that waveform and boom, that's there. And if I bypass the Metamorph.
Hey, man, Metamorph is...
So I got both of them now.
Hey, man, Metamorph...
Right, so now let's try a different one, right? Let's go up here and let's just go to...
Mic check. 1 2.
Let's do the girl, okay? Boom. I'm gonna transform myself into a female voice. I'm gonna metamorph, and it's not gonna take long. Obviously, it's gonna take as long as the track is. Boom, it's already transformed. Let's hear it.
Hey man.
Hey man, Metamorph is AutoTune transformation tool. But don't worry, the artists who have been used to train this AI tool have been compensated royally, so you can transform and metamorph your vocals guilt-free.
Hey, yo, that's crazy. And then again, I'm just going to drag and drop this in here. And now, and you can see that where I'm going with this, right? To where the power is that I could literally start off, you know, with one of these tracks. So it says unmute them all, right? And I can start to comp a vocal, maybe like from all these different sections, or create harmonies and choir vocals and stacks, like however I want to, and really get trippy here. Let's create one more before we get too crazy. Boom, transform. That's pretty quick. It's gonna go as fast as your computer is, right? Because all the processing is happening on your computer. All right. So boom, I'm gonna mute my original, and I have all these 3 different takes here. So let's say we're gonna go with the A main from there. We'll just go in order, man. Something like that. And do something like that. Let's hear that.
Hey, man. Metamorph is AutoTune transformation tool. But don't worry, the artists who have...
Right? Let me see. Boom, boom, boom. Get rid of some of that.
Metamorph is AutoTune transformation tool.
But don't worry, the artists who have been used to train this
AI tool have been compensated royally, so...
This actually, it sounds like somebody that I know. That's what's funny.
Royally, so you can transform and metamorph your compensated royally, so you can transform and metamorph your vocals guilt-free.
All right, and then let's do a unison and guilt-free.
So you can transform and metamorph your vocals guilt-free. Let's check it out.
All right, now I gotta try this on some singing vocals. So let me switch sessions real quick, and I really want to try this out on one of Lydia's tracks real quick. So hold up one second. All right, y'all, so I got this session pulled up that Lydia and I have been working on, and I want to transform this section that I'm about to play for y'all into more of a choir style vocal. So obviously Lydia, she's just one singer, but we are going to change her voice up using Metamorph and make it sound like multiple people are singing this part.
Yeah, a new day's taking over. Yesterday was so mediocre.
All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start off here. Boom. I'm going to hit record first. Always hit record first. Boom. Once it's done, it's done. Let's go and choose a model.
Microphone check.
Microphone check.
Yeah, let's do that dude. Let's do that dude right there. And boom, let's get them going. Transform. Let's hear what it say.
New day's taking over. Yesterday was so mediocre.
Let's see if we do it without the range match and what that would sound like. We got to transform it again.
Yeah, a new day's taking over. Yesterday was so mediocre.
I like that one on that one. All right, let's go to the next one. I gotta hurry up and do this before I get caught. All right, we're gonna now choose a model. Let's go with
Microphone check.
I like that one. We're gonna hit that range matching on. Transformed. And then it keep.
Yeah, a new day's taking over. Yesterday was so mediocre.
Right, I'm gonna do the same thing and just get a different voice for each one of these real quick. All right, bet. So as it's transformed, boom. I like the little transformation visual. All right, here we go. Let's hear it.
Yeah, a new day's taking over. Yesterday was so mediocre.
So that's Lydia with the whole crowd.
Yeah, a new day's taking over. Yesterday was so mediocre.
Hey man, I think Metamorph might be a tool that could be very useful in the future. Sometimes you're just limited to what you can do with one artist in the studio, and Metamorph just gives you the ability to creatively add more voices. Like one performance, multiple voices, I think that's a win. That's got these easy drag and drop features. You can even create and import your own vocal models, man. That's kind of lit to me. And yeah, man, y'all need to let me know what y'all think. Is this a type of AI tool that you want to see more of? Drop a comment, let me know. This new Metamorph update is available for free to anybody who is already subscribed to AutoTune Unlimited. So you might as well start creating, man. I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyProAudio.com. Be dope.